Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of NumPy and it is part 3. So guys, in this lecture we are going to discuss NumPy operations. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss these operations one by one. So in this lecture we are going to discuss size of an array, shape of an array and reshape of an array. So let's go ahead and we'll discuss size of an array. So guys, size represents the total number of elements of the array and this is equal to the product of the elements of shape. So let me open up the Jupyter notebook. So guys, now I have imported NumPy as NP and I have created a one-dimensional array A and two-dimensional array B. Now we are going to find out the size of these arrays. So I'm going to use a attribute size to find out the size of these arrays. And as we know that size of an array represents the total number of elements in the array. So let me use the size attribute. So first of all, so it is giving the size of A and that is 3 because 3 elements are present in the array A. Now I am going to print the size of B. So it will give you 9 because there are 9 elements in the array B. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Moving further guys. So guys, now our next topic is shape of an array. So the shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimensions. So now moving on to next topic, and that is how to get the shape of an array. So basically we have an attribute in NumPy called shape that returns a tuple with each index having the number of corresponding elements. So let me open up the Jupyter notebook and I will show you the working of shape attributes over there. So guys, now we are going to find out the shape of these arrays using shape attribute. So let's use the shape attribute. And now if I run this script, it will give you 3. It will give you a tuple of 3 because it is one dimensional array and there are 3 elements in this array. And now guys, if I print the shape of B, then it will give you 3, 3. So it is basically giving a tuple of 3 cross 3 because it is an array of 3 cross 3. So I hope it is clear to you guys. Moving forward guys. So guys, our next topic is reshaping arrays. So reshaping means changing the shape of an array, and as we know that the shape of an array is the number of elements in each dimension. So by reshaping we can add or remove dimensions or change number of elements in each dimensions. So guys, let me open up the Jupyter notebook and I will show you how do I reshape arrays in NumPy. So guys, now let's create another array. So guys, I am going to create an array of 2 cross 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now if I print it, it will give you an array like this. So guys, now I am going to reshape this array C by using reshape attribute. So let's use reshape attribute. And I am going to create this array of 4 cross 2. So now if I print this C1, it is giving you the output like this. So basically we have reshaped this array C by using this reshape attribute. And guys, we can also convert one dimensional array to two dimensional array by using this reshape attribute. So let me create a one dimensional array here. So this is d np dot array. So guys, I have created a one dimensional array of size 12, and now I am going to convert this one dimensional array to two dimensional array by using reshaping. So now I am going to print this d. So it is a one dimensional array d, and now I am going to convert this one dimensional array to two dimensional array. So guys, there are 12 elements in this one dimension array d. So I'm going to create a two dimensional array of 4 cross 3. And now I'm going to print this d1. And now if I print this, it is basically a two dimensional array. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.